Ngam. Okey, tutorial seterusnya kita nak buka tayar belakang, buka disc, pump brake kaki, pump brake.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me.
Ya, korang mesti tak nampak kan. Okay, buka Enkei ni, exhaust 6. Lepas tu kita buka pump ni, tangki pump, bawa turun. Lepas tu kita akan buka ni, ni 6, 6 bawah tu. Lepas tu kita akan buka ni juga. Habis tu kita buka. Okay. Kita tunggu hasilnya. Okay guys, pump brake dah buka, bracket pump kaki ni dah buka. So korang kena buka skru dua lagi ni, pasang balik dekat body supaya spring ni korang boleh pasang balik. Kalau tak, dia akan jatuh ke bawah. Memang nampak tak ada brake, tapi pedal ni kena ada lah. Nak buka terus pun boleh, tapi next time mesti kau nak pakai balik brake ni. Tapi tips dia, kalau nak pakai pedal brake ni, kau nak pasang balik bracket ni, hitam ni. Okay. Tadi dah tukar tayar kat kedai. Tayar lama masuk dekat rim baru, buka pasang. Lepas tu kena beli disc sekali, sebab disc standard ni tak boleh masuk dekat rim SP tu. So kena beli disc. Tadi dah beli disc, jenama Enkei. Dia 2 piece tau. 2 piece tu takut dia, kita dah pakai dalam sebulan 2 bulan, nanti dia break, nanti dia bunyi tau, tak. Sebab dia 2 piece ikat dengan rivet. So saya tak nak beli yang tu, memang nampak lawa. So saya beli yang ni, Rapido. Dia 1 piece. Nampak biasa sangat lah, tapi macam mana nak lawakan dia, kita akan spray dia. So kita lihat dia macam mana hasil dia. First layer tadi, so korang boleh spray dekat tengah ni je, tepi ni tak payah spray sebab nanti tak payah tutup pun. Nanti bila kita dah pasang, dah jalan, kita akan break. So yang bahagian tepi ni dia akan hilang sendiri ya. Spray yang bahagian tengah ni yang penting. Belakang pun sama, 2-3 layer. Nampak macam dah okey, cukup. So kalau nak cantik lagi, tukar skru lah. Dari skru dia sebenarnya, tadi dia bagi skru yang titanium tu. Dia kata ni sebab dia longkang ni tak sesuai, kena pakai yang original. Tak apa, itu nanti kita cari skru, tak masalah. Okey. Sekarang saya ada dekat lab kawan saya, tempat dirahsiakan. So sebab hari ni nak gunakan mesin kat lab ni, Kita nak buat bush untuk sport rim tu. Sebab dah buka caliper punya bracket, so nak gantikan ruang yang kosong tu, bush tu kena panjang lah, yang asal ini. So kita akan custom bush kat sini gunakan.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in